I really like horses, so having grown up riding, I always wanted a horse, so now I finally own part of a horse. I don't know, I got a little teary-eyed just because my husband has arranged all of this, and well, I'm actually going through some health issues right now, so this is a real upper for me to be able to come and pet the horse and see the horse. They let us go up and pet her. We got real close, and they gave me some feed and got the feeder out of my hand. She's nibbling. She's really a sweet horse. So she's going to get shipped to Florida for training. So we're hoping to follow her. I'm Carrie. I love my racehorse.